Want to pay your employees in their preferred currency and streamline your global payroll process? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to pay employees in their preferred currency using Deel, a powerful tool that simplifies international payments. Stick around, because not only will I show you how it works, but you'll also learn some tips and tricks to get the most out of Deel, and I'll share an exclusive bonus to help you get started for free. Let's dive in. When you use Deel, you can pay your employees in over 120 different currencies, making it easier than ever to work with a global team. Whether you're paying contractors or full-time employees, Deel handles everything from currency conversion to compliance, so you can focus on growing your business. To get started, simply sign up for Deel and create an account. Once you're in, go to the payment setup section. You'll be able to enter your employees' details, including their preferred currency. Deel will automatically calculate the conversion rate for you, so you don't have to worry about fluctuations or hidden fees. This makes Deel an ideal solution for anyone working with an international team. But what's great about Deel is how customizable it is. You can set different currencies for different employees. This means if you have team members in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, Deel will ensure each person gets paid in their local currency, and it will all be taken care of automatically. No need to manually convert or make international transfers yourself. Deel offers several payment methods as well, such as bank transfers, debit cards, and even crypto, if that's your thing. So whether you need to pay in USD, GBP, INR, or a digital currency, Deel has you covered. It's the easiest and most efficient way to manage a global payroll system. The best part? Deel also ensures compliance with local tax regulations, which is a huge headache for most employers. Whether you're hiring someone in the US, the EU, or anywhere in between, Deel automatically takes care of the tax deductions, so you can avoid costly mistakes. Now, here's the exciting part. Deel offers an exclusive and extended free trial for users who sign up through the first link below. That's right, you can start using Deel for free and experience all the benefits without any commitment. So, if you've been struggling with paying employees in their preferred currency or just want to simplify your global payroll, Deel is your solution. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial and the exclusive bonus available through the link in the description. Start paying employees in their preferred currency with Deel today and save yourself time, money, and a whole lot of stress. If you found this guide helpful, check out the description for the link to get started with your free trial.